Hi, today I'm going to show you how to extend RAM memory on your POCO X6 Pro. The more random access memory your phone has, the better it can handle multiple tasks at once, providing a smooth experience for gaming, multitasking, and app switching. So, how to do it? We're going to go to settings and we go into the very end of it to the additional settings. So, the gear icon. And I'm already here, but I will show you. So we're just going at the very end, additional settings, and here we need to find the memory extension right here. So here you have 4 options to choose from, and to choose one you just need to tap on it like this, and to confirm your choice you just need to press on reboot, and your device will automatically restart, so you don't need to do it manually. And the restart will take time, so we're gonna need to wait a little bit. So here it is, and now let's just check that everything is settled. We're going to the settings, we're going again to additional settings, memory extension, and yes, I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.